Okay, we're going to use the green tip on this stucco because the green tip is not the most powerful tip. It's about a middle of the midway between the most powerful and the least powerful tip. Is the green tip. It's kind of right in the middle. We don't want to apply too much pressure onto the stucco. You don't want to apply a lot of pressure because you don't want to damage the surface. So you don't use a very powerful tip. Just one powerful enough to get the dirt off. Which is the green tip. See that? You see the green tip is doing its job. And we've already applied bleach. We've already applied bleach to this surface, and we used the J-rod, which is kind of the softest tip you can use to do this, and it didn't really do anything. So we have to apply a little bit of pressure, but not enough to damage the surface. Again, like I say, just enough to get this dirt, to remove this dirt from the bottom. So that's why we didn't use the orange tip or the red tip. Instead we go with the green tip. And as you can see, the green tip is doing a fantastic job of removing this dirt. As you can see. Now that'll make a good picture. That line right there. Yep. And you can even take one farther back and show it. Yeah, like that. And we're using the green tip. That's in between all the other tips. That will make a good picture as well. Yeah, that's a good photo.
these pavers, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Pavers. So, clean it all up.